Hello friends, welcome to ProTalent and I'm Nitin Parmar. My dear students, in this particular video on Christ University, this is our possibly fourth video for Christ University admission. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the varieties of the career opportunities or the course opportunities, program opportunities available in social science field, which is BA Economics, Mass Media and Communication, ठीक है, or you can say English literature, those kind of programs I'm going to talk about. So this is a broader category of programs available for the students who are from commerce background or who are from humanities or arts background and they wish to apply to Christ University, ठीक है, and they want to know what are the varieties of the courses available. Let me explain that to you. This is a christuniversity.in, that is a, you can say, site I am on, ठीक है. I have to go to this admission part and I click on undergraduate program. Okay, so when I click on undergraduate, okay, I'm given all the complete list. I pick up undergraduate. So when I pick up undergraduate, I have these options available. So obviously if I'm coming from humanities background, I'm looking at English program, economics. So I'm not looking at this, you can say, engineering technology. I'm not looking at law program. I'm not looking at commerce, finance and accountancy. I may be looking at arts and humanities program. Science is obviously no, architecture is obviously no, okay. School of education may be there, we are going to discuss on it. Business management is a separate video I made, okay. School of social science. So let me start first with School of Arts and Humanities. What are the programs do they offer? Here you have a lot of program. One is called English and Cultural Studies, which is called BA English Honors at Bangalore Bannerghatta campus, and BA in Liberal Arts. Okay, so these are the programs available. If I look at English and Cultural Studies, I get lot of program. BA Theatre Studies, English and Psychology. BA Communication, Media, English and Psychology. BA English Honors. BA Journalism, Psychology and English. BA Liberal Studies. BA Arts, that is Music, Western Classical Psychology and English. BA in Performing Arts. BA in Psychology, Sociology and English. ठीक है. So दोस्तों, I believe these programs, ठीक है, have a specific, you can say, interest areas. So based on your interest, you can possibly take a call. ठीक है. सो दोस्तों, अगर आपको थोड़ा और ज़्यादा जानना है दैट इन कोर्सेज में क्या होता है, यू मे पॉसिबली यू कैन से कीप a kind of counseling session with us. ठीक है. We are putting our email ID and a mobile number in the given, you can say, link. You can very well join for a counseling session with us. Okay. We are going to give you wonderful, you can say, paid counseling wherein you are going to get complete information about these programs. Okay. ठीक है. Now let's come back to this part. Okay. Broadly, ठीक है, if you are looking at, you can say, broader courses like media, communication, English and psychology, I believe that's a wonderful program available to you. ठीक है. In case you are looking at liberal arts, that's a program available at Bannerghatta complex. Okay. Then there is a media studies program, which is economics, media study, political science or journalism. Purely media studies program, that is communication media, English and psychology, media and public affair, ठीक है, which is honors program, media studies, political science, ठीक है. These are the kind of program available. Theatrical science, performing arts available, philosophy and theology, and that's a new program. They don't have specific, you can say, options available, but this is what you get in a field which is called School of Arts and Humanities. So what happens in School of Arts and Humanities? You get this English media studies. So when you click on one of the program, you start applying for, you can say, varieties of the, you can say, campuses. You have to give preferences for every program. Okay. So when you click on this, for example, let's say you want to go for BA Communication in Media, then they'll ask you a preference for different, you can say, programs. Let me come back to social science courses. Social sciences are connected to this economics, international studies and political science and history, ठीक है, psychology and sociology and social work. Okay, these are the kind of programs available. So it is BA Economics honors, or you want to take economics with political science, sociology, that's an option available. You want to take economics with history, and you can say political science, that's also available. You want to take economics with analytics, that's available. You want to take economics and maths and statistics, that's also available. You want to take, let's say, international studies, okay, so that is also connected to economics, media studies. You want to take pure psychology program, so they don't have only, let's say, BA kind of psychology available, but BA psychology with other program are available. There is one called BSc psychology, that's also another option available. Okay, in case you are interested for sociology and social work, as such, they don't have major program available. You are interested in, let's say, international studies, then that's also available for you as a part of political science and honors. So my dear students, in case you are interested for this program, you must, you can say, understand that, look, these are the kind of options available. Let me take to one of them. For example, let me take to economics. You are interested for economic honors program, BA economics at this Banerghatta Bangalore campus. Okay. Now, what I'm going to discuss about is the selection process. Okay. The selection process, they say, is about, you can say, entrance test, micro presentation, personal interview. They have not mentioned about what is the, you can say, the structure of the, you can say, entrance test for, you can say, they are a BCom program, but here they've clearly mentioned about it. Okay, so this is the exam structure, okay, for BA Eco program, or let's say data science program kind of program. So total 120 questions, 120 minutes. English 20 questions, GK 15, current affair 10, reasoning 20 questions, math 15, data analysis interpretation 15, eco and computer science depending on the program you are applying for. If you are applying for BCA, then there is a computer science. If you are applying for eco, you get eco 25 questions. Okay, so total 120 questions and 120 minutes. Okay, and then there is PI and micro presentation. Micro presentation is a part of PI where they will be asking you a topic and you have to speak on that topic for 90 seconds. Okay, that is how this structure is. I hope it is very clear. Great. Okay. Look at the, you can say, kind of, you can say, fee structure of the program. The fee structure is 85,000 rupees for Karnataka students. For outside Karnataka, it is 1,05,000 rupees. And depending on your category, NRI or OCI or PIO or foreign national, these are the fee structure available to you. Okay, all this information are provided here. Okay, so point is, in case you are looking at the courses related to you can say social sciences, that is BA economics, you may possibly go to this. Okay, let me take you to, you can say, one more entrance examination structure part. Okay, for few other program like arts and humanities, and let's say I am going for, let's say, English, that is BA in English honors. So what is a, you can say, examination date? It started from 11th of January. Okay, the last date is 20th of April. Okay, the selection process, okay, will be, you can say, entrance test, micro presentation, PI and academic performance. Okay, what is entrance test pattern is this. Okay, English 40 questions, GK 20, current affair 10, reasoning 20, and journalism related questions are 30. Okay, so this is what your preparation should be. Okay, okay, you should know what to prepare for. Okay, okay. So दोस्तों, this is how the idea of Christ University. Okay, my aim to prepare these videos, I prepared total 4 videos. My aim to these videos are to give you a broad idea initially, and when you start applying for it, you know more about it. Okay, okay. So at least you should know that these are the options available for you. Okay, great. Okay, chaliye. So I hope this is comfortable. Let me take you the fee structure as well. That is one left out area. Okay, so this is the 70,000 rupees per annum. If you are from Karnataka, outside Karnataka, it is 90,000 rupees fee structure. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear to you and comfortable part. Okay, thank you very much for watching this, and if you have any query about your application to Christ, feel free and talk to us. Okay, we are going to help you out with the complete detail on it. Okay, thank you and all the best.